everyone, I'm Teresa. Welcome to my final project of digital culture and communication research. I've chosen to delve into the issue of food waste, focusing on the question, what are the main narratives surrounding food waste? In the context, it's crucial to understand what food waste is and why it's important to address it. Food waste refers to the loss of edible food throughout the entire production and consumption chain. Raising awareness about this issue can encourage consumers to make informed choices and support companies and institutions that adopt policies and practices aiming at reducing food waste. Social media platforms play a significant role in shaping conversation and practices related to food waste. Platforms like TikTok have emerged as powerful tools for disseminating information, narratives, and awareness about this critical environment and social issue. Therefore, I believe it's essential to closely examine the emerging narratives and practices promoted through platforms like TikTok to better understand how users engage with and address the use of food waste, and what impacts these may have on behavioral change and public awareness. I first downloaded the first 370 videos tagged with the hashtag food waste on TikTok. Then I used one of the Firefox extensions, namely Dccr and subsequently Zhaven, to gather the videos and convert them into an Excel spreadsheet. Before discarding the non-relevant videos for my analysis, I reviewed all of them with the idea of categorizing them based on the type of content. The most frequent category includes videos aimed at raising awareness about food waste. These videos typically depict individuals wasting large quantities of food, followed by others utilizing these excessive quantities to distribute food to those in need. The other two categories include videos offering tips on how to reduce waste, such as food reuse, preservation techniques, recipes, and composting tools, and videos featuring individuals raising awareness by discussing or providing information on the topic. My research is composed of three different analyses: the hashtag analysis, a visual analysis, and a content analysis. Starting from the hashtag analysis, I decided to explore the hashtags within my complete sample to gain an understanding of the general context in which I would conduct my analysis and identify keywords. I utilized word cloud for this purpose. The result largely met my expectations, with the most frequent hashtags relating to elements of food, waste, sustainability, composting, as well as keywords like eating and recipes. However, I was surprised to find hashtags leading to humorous videos such as LOL, funny, or funny videos. After ranking my videos by number of likes, I noticed that the top 20 videos all belonged to the same category. So, I decided to conduct a visual analysis to highlight common characteristics and understand why these videos garnered so many likes and views. So, I downloaded the videos I was interested in, and I used the exit.com tool to split them into frames. All of these videos follow a similar visual pattern. They are divided into two parts. The creators start by resharing videos that create sensations, and then raise awareness in the second segment on the topic of food waste. As can be seen from the frames provided on the left, for all 20 videos, the first part shows people wasting a large amount of food. In the second part, as we can see on the right, not all videos follow the same pattern. Instead, 14 out of 20 videos show people cooking large quantities of food to distribute to those in need. In these videos, people appear smiling and convey a sense of calm. The remaining 6 videos use sarcasm to raise awareness on the topic, for example, by imitating the previously shared videos but using small quantities. The natural question is, why do these types of videos attract so many likes? They certainly create an uproar. This draws people in as they identify and support those doing good while finding someone to oppose. Another factor in their favor is the high recognizability of this type of content. I then conducted a content analysis using the top 4 videos with the most likes from each category as a reference. I made this choice to ensure I didn't focus only on one category of video, but also considered the other two, even if they had fewer likes. I accepted comments from the selected videos using TT comment export. Regarding the contrast videos, the most common comments express approval towards people doing good deeds. Some believe that all the videos are made exclusively for hype and not for the underlying purpose, while others think they are made for hype but still recognize the positive gestures. For humorous videos, amused comments stand out. As for the tips to avoid food waste videos, the most relevant comments suggest alternative options of tips or share what users typically do. Another widespread category of comments appreciates the method proposed to avoid food waste. Lastly, there are direct questions to the creator or skeptical comments about the recipe. The last category, although less prevalent, presents a greater variety of comments more coherent with the theme of food waste. Users often express feelings of anger and sadness about what they see, sometimes directing these emotions towards supermarkets and big corporations, identified as the main producers of food waste. However, many users seek solutions to this problem, including donation, shipping food to needy countries, composting, or selling imperfect food at lower prices. The last prevalent category of comments supports farmers. With this research, my intent was to understand the main narratives surrounding food waste. I observed how hashtags associated with this topic were mostly consistent with food waste issues. The only seemingly incongruent ones were like funny videos or funny, but as seen in the visual analysis, they were associated with videos using irony to raise awareness about the issue. Most videos followed a similar visual pattern, which captured more attention, was easily recognizable, and consequently received more likes. As revealed in the content analysis, these videos created a common sense of affinity and appreciation for those doing good, and those using ironic hashtags entertained a large part of the audience. In these videos, the theme of food waste becomes less prominent because more emphasis is placed on the video creator. However, it returns to focus in the second category of videos, tips to avoid food waste, particularly in the last one, which, although receiving fewer likes compared to the first two, contains a greater variety of comments on the topic. In conclusion, I believe that social networks can play a crucial role in raising awareness of important issues. On a platform like TikTok, the informative aspect sometimes diminishes, but visually appealing videos tend to garner more success.